Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove music from video but keep voice on CapCut. I was editing a clip in CapCut the other day and realized the background music was way too loud, but the voice in the video was actually perfect. Instead of deleting the whole audio, there's a neat way to remove the music while keeping the voice. What I did was open CapCut, load the video into the editor, and tap on the video track to access its audio options. From there, I use the option to extract the audio from the video. At first, that audio still contains both the music and the voice, which isn't what we want yet. So the next step is using the isolate voice feature. When I tap on that, CapCut gave the option to keep voice, which automatically separates the spoken voice from the background music. After a few seconds of processing, the result was just a clean voice track without the distracting music. It's honestly a lifesaver when you want clear narration but don't want to re-record everything. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.